Ever wondered how to manage users without losing your sanity? With XClarity One, user management is a breeze. Stay tuned to see how you can easily add, remove, and organize users like a pro.
Welcome to XClarity One. Once you're logged in, let's start by managing the users. Navigate to the Organization Management menu, where you can view the current users in your organization. Here, you'll find their names, email addresses, assigned roles, last login times, and whether they are organization owners. To edit a user, simply select the row, then click the three dots on the Table Options menu. From there, you can update their roles, reset their multi-factor authentication, disable their account, or even remove them from your organization. It's that simple.